We found Smart Build via a Facebook ad, and I reached out, scheduled a consultation with Marek. He came out, told us, what the process was like, to get a quote, and ultimately ended up, going with Smart Build, obviously, because they were very competitive with their price. The timeliness of the actual build, he was able to get it in before anyone else, and also he was able to take on the entire project. We didn't have to split this between multiple contractors.
Yeah, and we highly recommend Smart Build. The entire crew from start to finish was extremely courteous and personable and clean. Not only did they answer all of our questions, but they even asked us questions to make sure that they were doing everything that we wanted them to do. And 2 years ago when we moved in, we definitely did not like the exterior of our house, but now we can definitely say and proudly say that we love where we live.
Yeah, we've gotten nothing but compliments from our neighbors, as they're passing by, people stopping by in their cars, or I'm out here working on the lawn, people ask, who did this work, and we're happy to say Smart Build did, and I will 100% recommend Smart Build to do all of your exterior remodeling needs.